This is thermite. Thermite is used in underwater welding reactions, and once it starts, almost nothing can stop it. Every time I go to do thermite and the wind kicks up. This is thermite on a stick. So we're going to use this to light that. Ideal.
Oh, that looks like fire.
So that's how they weld underwater? Really?
It has a wonderful habit of being good for underwater welding and melting through tank engine blocks.
Yeah,
Thermite explosives.
Huh? The little things that you spin. A sparkler. Yeah. That's what it looks like.
I know, right? It was so bright.
So this is actually molten iron. One of the things that's used in thermite. One of the things that's used in thermite is iron powder, and you can actually see how some of it melted and fell down into the sand down here. So you can come up. It's done. So you can see this piece of iron down here.
Wow.
So this is actually molten iron from this reaction that melted and ran off here, and so here you can see this bit down here starting to cool.
Can I pick it up when it's cold?
When it's cold. So yeah, that fast. We melted metal, it ran off, and now it's starting to reharden.